Province of Ilocos Sur, Sir Mujeres Armando Salvi Samra Jr., our Sabunian Panalawigan, Honorable Attorney Pablito Sanidad Jr., Sabunian Panalawigan, Honorable Danabin Matos, nagagyan kay nasisiri na kaduwang ng Konseho, Honorable Kenneth Valdez, Honorable Gina Hernandez, Honorable Rosendo Acosta Jr., Honorable Alfredo Dumisi, Honorable Narciso Garcia, Honorable Sotero Avila, and Honorable Teddy Angela, and Dr. Vicky. Deputy Charming Capitanes, headed or dadawalawan ni Kanita, ABC President tayo, Honorable Napoleon Cortez, Sir. Ehemplo ni Kabataan, our State Federated President, Honorable Brian Honorable Cesar Sambuyan, Tourism Operations Officer 1, Ms. Jennifer Riverin, dagiting aming nga nagagagit, all delegated presidents and members of the Farmers Association and CSOs, our dear and loving teachers, who being participants, our very kind and big parish priest, Reverend Father Ronald Gomea, and also our guest from the Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 1, Ms. Melinda Gawan Caluti. We have also Dr. John Michael Tolentino, the composer of the Lambang Manifesto song. Equally brilliant members of the Board of Judges, members of the BNP and the PNP, aming apong awat nilabas na naragsak mabigat tayo amin. Today is a gratitude day. Ipalagim na kada tayo tintay panagyaman ken panagselebrar. Iti pamati, tradisyon ken kultura tayo kas pumili itayayaten tayo kas Santa Lucia. Tagtaapo kung muna matalungal daw tintay panagselebrar ti Rambang Maning Festival iili tayo. Nakagasgasan tayo ni Santa Lucia because we are celebrating a festival of abundance and prosperity. Kaya di pasibutahan ka karot, tintay kinalagyan, panagkay-kaysa, kaya kinaragsa. That despite challenges in our lives, we remain to work hard with humility and compassion, and we vehemently believe always that positive things are waiting for us. This festival is a reminder of the beauty and the rich culture of our municipality. May this festival strengthen bonds among us and to always consider the general welfare and interest of our constituents. As public servants, may we adopt all the principles that we learned from our seminars and messages of our leaders to become a transformative leaders. Dahil ako ni Chempo, kayo tayo pinagyaman, iti amin-amin na parabo, ipatron tayo ng Apo Santa Lucia. Tayo tuloy na tayo kumakabimisyonan, isalunat kan siring, mga itadaulo, diini tayo. The activities in store for us are intended to nurture more our skills and talents, to give everyone a chance to be recognized and to grow. Kasi lang matanta, mabigat, tayo mapuya, iti cooking skills na ito'y kaubuti. They are very creative, na itaman ang ipakita, itinainda to cook different dishes made with peanut. Dagiti nagagagit ng ama na nakabsan tayo, agur-uray dan na ipakita kada kayo, dagiti entries na, iti agri pinaka. Let us all make this celebration a memorable one. Ngarot, let the celebrations begin. And I welcome everyone with joy and full gratitude to the Rambang Maning Festival 2026. Thank you very much and God bless.
Indeed, Santa Lucia is not just only a municipality but home of rich culture, tradition, and talent. So once again, Samia Bayan member, Honorable Attorney Mary Luz Galeana.
marvelous